Hey everyone, how's it going? It's that nerd Ryan here. Today we're reviewing the Piranha plant. So here it is with the question block in it. And on the back here it says Piranha plant with question block. Mario loves pipes. Unless they're Mario eating piranha plant hiding inside. Look before you leap. So it's got 3 points of articulation. So let's go ahead, take it out of the box, and see how it is. And here's the piranha plant out of the box. It looks very nice, but I mean, it's a piranha plant. There's really not much you can do with it. It's got the question block right here, which does not open. But yeah, it comes in at 4 inches tall. And for the sculpt, it looks pretty amazing. So for articulation, mouth can open and close, 360 on the head, feed me Seymour, and then twist on the pipe. And that's it. It's pretty cool though. Sharp teeth. Definitely a good thing to have in your villain arsenal, which I wish Sonic would do more of. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and give this one a 6 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and follow me on all my social media down below. It's that nerd Ryan, signing off.